Hey, how you doing? Welcome back. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I'm not a real big fan of Facebook, except for one option, and that is groups. And I belong to a lot of groups on Facebook, and each group is about a specific topic. And you can see down the bottom there, here's some of the groups that I belong to. And I've been into this for, 5-6 years, so it's a pretty big list. And there's many, many more than the ones I just belong to. There's new ones every day. And like for instance, here's one, SDR Play. Click on that, go to the group. Here's the group, and here's all the messages posted by members of the group about SDR Play. And there's a post by Tom Stiles. And I set up a separate Facebook account for just this. And these get updated quite often. Let me go back here for a second. Like here is the Florida Scanner Group, and there's 10 plus unread messages since I last went to it. And you can see all of these. Of course, I haven't been to a lot of these, so they've got a lot of messages that I haven't read, which I need to do. I need to catch up. And all different subjects. Here's TVDO. What else? Here's Retivus. Probably pronounced that wrong. I never could pronounce that right. Here's G5RV. Boy, I can't talk today. There's another group. Let's see. Not very busy. That last post, that was an announcement. Oh, here we go. March 10th. Somebody showing their coffee mug. So you gotta check this out. I know there's a lot of negative things about Facebook, but this I think is a good thing. And you can also have your own page. I have one right up here. Here's my page. Whoops, I didn't get to it yet. Go do it. Go, go, go. And where did I go? Oh, page. I want to go. That's my inbox. Okay, there it is. There's my page, which I don't want to post something, which I make announcements about my shows from time to time. There was my last post right there, March 14th. You can check this out. People give me comments. So, like I say, if you've kind of shied away from Facebook because of all the negative PR about it, go in there and check it out, and check out these groups. Let me go back to my groups. Try to go back to my groups. Come on, baby. Sorry, I'm losing my voice today. I don't know why. Changing the weather. One more. Okay, one more. There we go. So, and like I say, if you go to your listing of groups, it'll show you all the groups you belong to, and it will tell you down below each group how many messages have been posted that you haven't read. And there's lots of good information. That's it. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.